Grandad.
Right, so we've got a bunch of flowers here, and we've got the copper wire lights, and you can make a bunch of flowers like a living lampshade, fairy lights, Christmas decor on a poinsettia, holly, but any bunch of flowers can be made to look quite pretty and livened up by putting some of these lights in the bouquet itself. So I'll just put them in and see how we go on. Try to get it, and then when you've got them all in place, just let's switch it on and just position them a bit to make them even, and as you can see, it brings a bouquet of flowers, just gives it that kind of pretty edge. You just got to make sure that you get them all intertwined around the flowers. Just takes seconds to liven up a nice bouquet of flowers. There we go, it's pretty, isn't it? This has already been done by me earlier in the year. These are artificial, and then they've got real grasses, some stones in the glass, but they've got pretty fairy lights with glass attached to them, and it makes a nice display. So it's just another way of using the lights to brighten up a flower display.